Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into something super close to the heart mom's recipes. You know, those magical dishes that taste like comfort, smell like home, and bring back 1,000 memories with just one bite. So stay with me, because we're about to celebrate the flavors, the stories, and the love that only a mom can put on a plate. There's something special about mom's cooking that no restaurant or chef in the world can copy. It's not just the ingredients or the spices. It's the heart she puts into it. Every time mom steps into the kitchen, it feels like she's creating magic. Her recipes aren't just food. They're family traditions, little pieces of love we grew up with. Think about it, we all have that one dish that mom makes better than anyone else. Maybe it's her warm chicken soup that somehow heals everything, even your bad days. Maybe it's her fluffy pancakes that hit different on a lazy Sunday morning. Or maybe it's her homemade biryani, lasagna, cookies, or whatever makes you feel, dang, this tastes like home. Mom's recipes carry memories, like coming home from school and smelling something delicious cooking, or waking up on a weekend and hearing pots and pans while mom hums her favorite song. Those moments stay with us forever. And you know what's crazy? Even if you follow the same recipe step by step, your version never tastes exactly like hers. Because moms add something we can't measure: love, patience, and that warm mom vibe that makes everything better. Mom's cooking also teaches us life lessons. She shows us how to stay patient, how to mix things gently, how to try again if something burns. She teaches us that food isn't just about flavor. It's about care, family, and bringing people together. Today, we're shining a light on those recipes that shaped our childhood. The ones that made us smile, made us feel safe, and made our homes smell amazing. These recipes remind us that no matter where life takes us, we always carry a little bit of mom's kitchen in our hearts. So whether you're trying to recreate her famous dishes or just missing her cooking, remember this: mom's recipes are more than meals. They're memories seasoned with love. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If mom's cooking brings back sweet memories for you too, smash that like button and drop a comment about your favorite dish she makes. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more cozy, homestyle vibes right here. Until next time, keep loving, keep cooking, and keep those mom's recipes alive.